Sup everybody, today we're going to talk about an ultra rare discovery made last year that sold for a mere $10,000. This same type of discovery has not been made since 1864. So what we're talking about is called a mule die clash. Now, though die clashes are somewhat common, this one is a little bit different because it is a mule clash, meaning that the two dies that clash together were not meant to be paired together for this coin. One of the most popular mule coins is the 1959 mule penny, that's the year between 1958 and 1959 that they changed the design on the reverse from the wheat penny to the Lincoln Memorial. But through erroneous error, the reverse of the wheat penny die was used yet again on the 1959s, creating a small amount of varieties called the mule penny. So in this particular case, we have a Philly business strike penny that had clashed, the two dies had clashed together with a proof strike, resulting in a wide AM reverse. And portions of the obverse image have been imprinted on the reverse. PCGS gave this a discovery designation, meaning that this is a one-of-a-kind coin. In 20 years, they have not seen another replication of this coin. The last time that an error of this variety was found was from a 1964 2-cent coin. So it's actually quite surprising that a coin like this would sell for almost less than $10,000.